And welcome back. I hope you are all well and safe. This is the sixth week of my Learn Python with Google video log. And last week, I am actually recording this on Monday. So last week, I started the new Python course, which is using Python to interact with the operative system. And that is the second course of the Google IT Automation with Python professional certificate, a series of courses that I'm following on Coursera, and the instructor for this new course is Roger Martinez, and he's recording, as you see on my back, he's recording this series from another Google gaming room. That as the universe as a theme, so a spaceship and galaxy on the side. And Roger is a system administrator for hardware at Google. And funny thing to know about him is that he didn't know what to study when he was at college in New Jersey, but after a friend recommended him to check the IT program at his college, and he gave it a try, and he felt he didn't belong to the place, and he left the day after, because he was the only Latino person in the class. So the day after, he decided to quit. But at the end, he's still a self-taught Latino, I guess, person, and he landed a job at Google. Not bad, I guess. Just to say that the bachelor degree in the IT world isn't that important as you might think. But anyway, let's move forward to my week. So this week, I have completed the first and the second module of this new course, and passed the assessment on both modules with 100% score, so all good. And I started the third module. So the module 2 was about file manipulation using Python, where we studied how to read files and iterate through them, how to write files, and how to use the OS module to manipulate directories and file permissions, among other things. We have also studied the CSV module, and that is used to read and generate CSV files, and how to use it with dictionaries. At the end of each section, we did some projects using the Jupyter Notebook and another tool that I am going to tell you about that later. And I did more exercises locally on my machine, so just to make sure I understood everything that we studied. So at the end of the module 2, we had the graded assessment. This was done using Quick Labs, that actually uses Google Cloud Platform to spin up a virtual machine on the cloud, and we worked on a Linux server where we logged in using SSH credentials from our local machine. Then we used command line and the nano editor, which is the default editor in Linux, and then we used it to create files and write our Python script to automate the task that was checking the server CPU and disk usage using two Python modules that we studied, which are the psutil and shutils. And then we had the graded assessment that I passed with 100% of score. And also this week, I kept studying the basics of Python and moved forward a little with the official Python tutorial. And I have also recorded a new episode of the Python course for beginners in Italian, as part of my consolidation plan. And at the moment, I have started the third module of the course, where I'm studying regular expressions in Python using the RE module. That's pretty much it for this week. I will see you next week for another video log. Stay at home, protect your family, and save your ass. Cheers.